guys, my name's Ironhead Taz, and something fairly different today, something exciting. I'm going to put this sissy bar on Project Gilby. I've had this sissy bar for about 5 years. It's a genuine antique. It comes from a 1960's Harley Davidson, and I bought it for a Sportster project that's basically never been completed. So ultimately, I'm going to trim it down and I'm going to put it on Project Gilby. In itself, it was too wide and I didn't film it, but ultimately I compressed this gap here. It was about 8 inches and I compressed it down using the high lift jack to fit Gilby's back guard. And I didn't film it because it was probably the most dodgy thing I've ever done, but it worked, and here it is. It's going to fit beautifully. All I've got to do is sort of cut this down because it's way too long. It's got to work out where it's going to sit and where we're going to sort of mount it. I have a feeling about there will be perfect, and therefore we might use these holes here. You can see it's been chopped around a fair bit. I reckon if we cut it back here and remove this section, it'll give us the ability to mount it up to Gilby pretty easily. Try 120. Just cut it straight across first and then we'll shape it. We'll just change to the grinding blade. We'll try and shape these into something that looks a little prettier. Just use the Dremel to try and clean this up a little bit. There. Lean back. Okay, so just fold these tabs back to get the electrics out of the way so I don't just drill straight into that. Just gonna cut a bit of rubber to sit underneath it. To protect. Yeah. It'll just protect the paint a little bit. Oh, you fucking kidding me. Yeah, that's So guys, with a bit of faffing about, that's Gilby with the Sissy bar on. I think it looks absolutely awesome. Just adds to that retro look. He looks a treat with that on. That is an original 1960s Harley Davidson Sissy bar modified to fit an XV250. I couldn't be happier with that. I think it looks brilliant. My name is iRide Taz. This is Project Gilby. This is the Budget Bobber build. Until next time, I am out.